Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hopefully you will be fine. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths algebraic expressions chapter number 8 exercise 8a. We are going to study algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are the expressions which are consisting of variables and algebraic operations and constants. Variables are the unknown values. Algebraic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, and constants are the values that are known. Numbers are the considered as constant values. So we are going to discuss question number 2. Given is that if a is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 4z, b is equal to 5x minus 6y plus 7z, and c is equal to minus x minus y plus z. Find a plus b plus c. We have to add these three expressions. We are given three algebraic expressions and we have to add these three algebraic expressions. So start solution. We have to write a plus b plus c. Now substitute the expressions these that are given. This is a 2x minus 3y plus 4z, plus this is b 5x minus 6y plus 7z, and this is c minus x minus y plus c. We have write these expressions in parentheses. So first step is to remove these parentheses. So we get this expression 2x minus 3y plus 4z, plus whenever there is plus sign outside the brackets, there will be no change of sign inside the brackets. 5x minus 6y plus 7z and minus x minus y plus z. Now we will add like terms. So write like terms with one place. 2x, 5x and minus x. These are three like terms with the variable x. Similarly, minus 3y, minus 6y and minus y are three like terms with the variable y. 4z, 7z and z are three like terms with the variable z. So now we have to add this 5 plus 2x, 7x and minus 1x will become 6x. This is 6x. From here, all these three terms are with minus sign, negative sign. Minus minus will give us plus. So we will add these expressions. Minus 6 and minus 3 will become minus 9. And minus 9 and minus 1 will become minus 10y. Similarly here 7z plus 4z and plus z. All these are adding. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. This is our required answer. Now start question number 3. If x is equal to 2x square minus 3xy plus 4y square, y is equal to x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Y is equal to x square plus 2xy minus 3y square. Z is equal to minus 4x square plus 5xy plus y square. Find the value of x plus y plus z. You have to add these three terms. So start solution. X plus y plus z. Write the values of these algebraic expressions that are given. This is the value of x, this whole expression. This expression is the value of y and this expression is the value of z. So simplify this expression, remove these parentheses, we get this expression 2x square minus 3xy plus 4y square, x square plus 2xy minus 3y square minus 4x square plus 5xy plus y square. Now we will add like terms. Like terms are here. This is 2x square, this is x square and minus 4x square. 2x square plus x square will become 3x square. 3x square minus 4x square will become 3 minus 4 will give minus 1 because there is negative sign with this larger value. So minus 1 we get this minus x square. Now add xy terms. This is minus 3xy. This is plus 2xy and this is plus 5xy. 5xy and 2xy will become 7xy minus 3xy. 7 minus 3, 4xy. Now add y square terms. 4y square minus 3y square. And this is plus y square. When you add plus 4y square and plus y square, this will become 5y square and 5y square minus 3y square. 5 minus 3 will be 2. So we get 2y square. Start question number 4. Subtract a minus b plus c from 2a plus b minus c. Whenever we subtract the value that is written after from, we write in this expression before minus sign. So write 2a plus b minus c here, minus this value will become after here, a minus b plus c. 2a plus b minus c, whenever there is negative sign outside the brackets and we remove brackets, the sign of expressions inside the bracket will be changed. So this a will become of minus b will become plus b, because this minus and this minus will be plus. Similarly, plus minus minus, so here is minus c. Sign of this expression has been changed. Now add like terms. This is 2a and this is minus a. Write these two terms here. B plus b. Write here minus c minus c. Now 2a minus a. 2 minus 1 is 1. So a. B plus b will becomes 2b. Minus c and minus c. When there are two terms with negative sign, we add these two terms, but sign of answer will be negative. So minus c and minus c will becomes minus 2c. Now see its second part. 3a minus 2b minus 4c from 2a plus 3b plus c. Now you have to subtract this expression from this expression. So we will write this expression before minus sign and this expression after minus sign. Similarly, do here like previous. 2a plus 3b plus c minus, when there is minus outside the bracket, sign of this expression will be changed. 3a will become minus 3a, minus 2b will become plus 2b, minus 4c will become plus 4c. This is plus 4c. Now add like terms. This is 2a and this is minus 3a. 2 minus 3, one is with positive sign, one is with negative sign. Plus minus will become minus, so we have to subtract these. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, because there is larger value with minus sign. Sign always use the value of negative sign. Larger value. 3b plus 2b, 5b. c plus 4c, 5c. See this third part. X square minus y square plus z square plus 2yz from x square plus y square plus z square plus 2yz. We have to subtract this expression from this expression. So we write this expression before minus sign and this expression after minus sign. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2yz, this is the first expression, minus x square minus y square plus z square plus 2yz. Now remove these brackets. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2yz. This is the first expression will be as it is. And in second expression, sign of expression will be changed due to negative sign outside the brackets. So this will become x square will become minus x square, minus y square will become plus y square, z square will become minus z square, 2yz will become minus 2yz. Now all these similar terms with negative sign will be cancelled out, as this is plus x square, this is minus x square will be cancelled out, this is positive z square, this is negative z square will be cancelled out, minus 2yz plus 2yz will be cancelled. So we are left with the only two values, y square and this y square. Y square plus y square will give us 2y square. Okay, now start part 4, that is subtract p raised to power 4 minus 2p cube minus 3p square minus 4p minus 5 from minus p raised to power 4 5p cube plus 4p square plus 3p plus 2. We have to subtract this expression from this expression. So we will write this expression before minus sign and this expression before after minus sign. So we have write these expressions. Now next step is to remove these brackets. This will become, first expression will remain as it is and from second expression sign of complete expression will be changed. This positive 4 will become minus 4. This minus 2p3 will be plus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 3p square minus 4p will become 5. 4 plus 4p and minus 5 will become plus 5. Due to this minus sign of this expression has been changed. Okay, now we will add similar terms or like terms. This is minus p raised to power 4 and this is also minus p raised to power 4. Minus, when two terms are of negative sign, we will add these two terms. So minus 1 will be minus 2. We get minus 2 raised to power 2p raised to power 4. Now add p cube terms. This is 5p cube. This is 2p cube. 5 plus 2, 7. So we get 7p cube. Now p square terms, 4p square plus 3p square. 4 plus 3, 7p square. Now p terms, this is 3p, this is 4p. 3p plus 4p. 3 plus 4 again 7. This is 7p. Now constants, one constant is this 2. One constant is this 5. 5 plus 2 is also 7. So we get this answer minus 2p raised to power 4, 7p cube plus 7p square plus 7p plus 7. Okay, now start this last part. 2x square plus 3 from x square plus 3x minus 2. We have to subtract 2x square plus 3 from this expression. So we write this expression before minus sign and this expression after minus sign. Next step is to remove these brackets. X square plus 3x minus 2 and sign of this expression will be changed when we are doing subtraction. So this will become minus 2x square and minus 3. Now add like terms. This is positive 1 x square. This is minus 2 x square. Plus minus will be minus and answer of 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 because larger value has negative sign. Now x term, there is only one x term. This will be as it is. And now constants, there are two constants minus 2 and minus 3. Minus will be plus. So add these two terms, 3 and 2 will be 5, but sign will be negative because you are adding two negative terms. Now see question number 5. The sum of two quantities is 4ax plus 3by plus 2cz. If one of them is 5ax plus by plus minus cz, find other. We have two terms. One is given this, other is unknown. And sum of these two terms is this. So you have to find second term. This is like similar if I say sum of two numbers is 10 and one number is 6. What will be the other number? Obviously 4. How we find this 4? Subtracting 6 from 10. So similarly that the answer we subtract from answer the first expression. So sum is this. We will subtract this first expression. The required number will become difference of this number with this number. 4ax plus 3by minus 2c plus 2cz minus 5ax plus by minus cz. From the answer, that is the sum, we will subtract this expression and we get this second expression. So subtract this, this first expression will be as it is and the sign of second expression will be changed. 5ax will become minus 5ax, by will become minus by and minus cz will be positive cz. Now add similar terms. This is 4ax and this is minus 5ax. 4 minus 5 will become minus 1. So this is minus ax. 3by minus 2by. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So this is 2by. 2cz plus cz. This is 2cz and this is 1cz. So we get 3cz. Okay, now see question number 6 of this exercise. That is the last question. What should be subtracted from 4a cube plus 3a square minus a minus 5 to get this 4? This is the question similar to this. What should be subtracted from this to get this? This is similar if I say what should be subtracted from 10 to get 4. So answer will be obviously 10 minus 4, that is 6. We have to subtract 6. So what we have to do? We have subtract 4 from larger value, that is 10. So similar here, we will subtract this 4 from this value. So 4a cube plus 3a square minus a minus 5 will be subtracted from this 4. So remove these brackets. First expression will remain as it is, 4a cube plus 3a square minus a minus 5 and minus 4. All these terms are single terms. They have no other term. 4a cube will be as it is, 3a square will be as it is, and minus a will be as it is, because there are no terms to add in these terms. And these are two constants, minus 5 and minus 4. Minus minus will be plus, so we will add these two terms. 5 and 4 will be 9, but due to minus sign with both terms, we get minus 9. And this is our required expression, 4a cube plus 3a square minus a minus 9. That should be subtracted from this expression to get 4. You can check this. To subtract this expression from this expression, we will get 4. So this is the end of our exercise 8a.